Malakas ang simula ng Pilipinas na hindi nagbigay ng pagkakataon sa kanilang mga kalaban na mag-react at umahon sa 7-2 laban kay Jordan Clarkson.
China's Zhou Peng twisted his ankle in their match against Puerto Rico and sat out their game against Angola, while guard Zhao Ruiz
Larino for Jordan Clarkson as Ravenna misses that. Back the lead here. Spain pick and roll action. Ravenna powers himself. It's divided by Ravenna, but almost a turnover there. Sa Gilas Pilipinas, Ravenna knows it. Ravenna to Clarkson for 3. No.
Natapos ang first quarter o 16. Ikalawang quarter 28 minuto pasado alas 7 sa ngayon, lahat ng Pilipinas. Huling nanguna ang home team sa score 21-17.
More movement this time. Here's Ramos. Ramos now with a pull-up jumper. Out there. And Abando steals it. Soto spots up for 3. And why not? Who means one? And why not? There he goes. Thompson clearing it out for Junmar. Again, 1-on-1. That's a foul. Soto on the pinch post.
Second quarter 17 minuto pasado alauna, hindi pa bumababa ang intensity ng Pilipinas at nananalo pa rin, pero hindi sila hinahayaan ng China na magbukas ng malaking lead at patuloy pa rin silang nangungulila, 37-33 ang score. Ikatlong quarter 7 minutes 30 second ng laro. Pinaikot pa ng China ang laro. Tuluyang nakatabla ang Pilipinas, 44-44 matapos may shoot ni Ramos ang 2 sa 2 free throws.
But ball will stay of their game wherein they got the lead. Ramos. Not there yet. Yes. For two-shirt. Here's another quick attack from Jordan Clarkson. No, too strong that time. Almost, but not quite. Oh, inside pass. Good stop there by Dwight Ramos. Way to be alert. Oh. But ball will stay of their game wherein they got the lead. Ramos. Not there yet. And they give up an open look coming off that timeout. No, gives it to Ramos. Back to Fajardo. Here's Clarkson. Puts up for 3. Bang! Clarkson on the 3-point line gives it to Thompson. Scotty. Passes back to Clarkson. He has the hot hand. Clarkson again.
Si Jordan Clarkson ay score ng 24 na puntos sa ikatlong quarter nang galing sa 4 na 3-point shot highlights ni Jordan Clarkson, habang ang Gilas Pilipinas ay bumuo ng 22 puntos na abante laban sa China 73-51. End of 3Q, ang Gilas Pilipinas ay humiwalay laban sa China at bumuo ng isang mahusay na 73-51 lead. Ika-4 na quarter 23 minuto pasado alas 7 ang Pilipinas ay may magandang 24 na point lead at sinasamantala ang pagkakataon na maglagay ng mga bagong tao sa court.
And they're putting on different defenders. Taking care of the ball. Here's some backward pressure. They settle back again to a zone. As Clarkson is taken out for a moment and Scotty Thompson attacks. Gets back the ball. AJ Edu too strong. Give up wide open corner threes. Now we can be more patient with our offense. Ty Soto facing up. Inside pass deflected. Ball is still loose. Soto with a right-handed
Gilas Pilipinas 83-6 na po. Ty Soto putback layup. Gilas Pilipinas 85-6 na po. AJ Edu deep in from Ahrens Abando lob. Timeout sa China sa 19 minuto pasado alas 5. Gilas Pilipinas 85-63. Zhao Rui open 3 of the timeout. Gilas Pilipinas 87-63, Scotty Thompson putback layup. Gilas Pilipinas 89-67, Kai Soto putback layup, Hojing Q response layup. Timeout ng Gilas sa 39 minuto pasado alas 3. Gilas Pilipinas 72-73, Kai Soto 2 halves mula sa linya, final score 76 na Gilas 75 China. Nailigtas ni Jordan Clarkson ang pinakamahusay para sa huli ng ang Pilipinas ay umiwas sa isa pang walang panalong pagtakbo sa FIBA World Cup, na nailigtas ang medyo nakakalimutang kampanya nito sa pamamagitan ng 76-75 panalo laban sa China. Huwag mo kalimutan mag-like, subscribe sa aking channel.